Painting can breathe life and color into your 3D prints. A flawless paint job starts with priming. Support material around your part can be cut off with flush cutters or peeled off by hand. We'll use a rotary tool and hand files to sand down the support marks. Using fine grit sandpaper gives the surface a smooth finish. To keep dust down, try wetting the sandpaper. We're mounting our part on a dowel to keep it free from fingerprints. You can see I'm using short, rapid strokes, starting and ending the spray off of the part. For even coverage, it helps to rotate the part slowly while painting. After adding the first coat, we'll do a close inspection to see if any touch-up is needed. When the second coat of primer is dry, it's ready for painting. We'll post a link to our detailed guide in the comments. In our next video, we'll continue on to spray painting to finish our paint job.